Fibers and Plastics, Part 3, Plastics. Today, plastic is very common material around us. We use a large number of articles made up of plastic in our daily lives. The use of the plastic has become popular because they are flexible material suitable for us. So in this part 3, you will learn about the properties of plastics, types of plastics and its uses, disadvantages of plastics, and the measures to reduce the plastic pollution. Plastics have wide range of use due to their special properties. Plastics are durable, that is, they can take the wear and tear of daily life and do not get broken easily. Therefore, they last for a long time. Plastics are resistant to weather condition, that is, they do not rust or corrode. Plastics are moldable, recyclable, and inexpensive. Plastics are also made of polymers. They consist of linear polymers or cross-linked polymers. As I already told you, a polymer is a large molecule formed by the combination of small molecules called monomers. Based on the behavior towards the heat, plastics can be classified as thermoplastics and thermoset plastics. So thermoplastics. Thermoplastics, they get softened, deform on heating. They can be easily bent. They can be remolded or reshaped as many times as desired. Example, PVC, polyvinyl chlorine, is a good electrical insulator. That is, it does not allow the electricity to pass through it. Therefore, it is used to make the covering around the electrical wires and electrical tapes. Polystyrene, being lightweight, it is used for making insulating packing material. Polythene is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Thermosets, they do not get deformed on heating. Instead, they harden. One set, they cannot be reshaped even on heating. Examples, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Therefore, it is used in making the handles of utensils, electric plugs, switches, combs, etc. Melamine is fire resistant, having better heat tolerance than other plastics, so it is used in the manufacture of floor tiles, utensils, and fire resistant fabrics. So we can say thermoplast can be melted repeatedly, that means again and again. Thermoset, once shaped, cannot be melted. In thermoplast, long chain polymers are not cross-linked, so they can easily slide on one another. Thermoplast has a linear linked polymers that can slide on one another. This makes thermoplast soft and capable of melting, whereas thermoset plastic has cross-linked polymer with one another, so it prevents the sliding of individual polymer chain on heating. So they do not soften once they are set. Disadvantage of plastics. Plastics are non-biodegradable, that is, they do not decompose naturally by the action of microorganisms. Recycling is very costly. On burning, plastic release many poisonous gas causing air pollution. They can also choke the drains. Each individual can contribute to reduce the plastic pollution by following 4R principles. Reduce, avoid to use. Instead of using the plastic bags, one should go with the jute, cloth or paper bags. When you are going for the shopping, shopkeepers must also be encouraged to use the paper bags. Reuse. Once the plastic item can be reused, we should not throw it away, as plastic cups can be used for making a pencil stand, pen stand, or storing the different things. Recycle. The articles that cannot be reused should be sent for recycling. Recycling is the breaking down of used item and using them as a raw material to form a new item. Recover. It includes the selection of discarded items for specific use so that they can be converted into some kind of resources. Example, the waste can be used as a fuel for generating electricity. So in this part 3, you have learned that plastics are durable, resistant to weather conditions and can be colored and shaped easily. They are recyclable, resistant to many chemicals. They are non-biodegradable. Recycling of plastic is very costly. On burning, they release toxic gases, causes air pollution.